Hey everyone, I'm Lauren Biedenharn and I'm your local and tech-savvy real estate agent here in Los Angeles. Welcome to my step-by-step tutorial overview on how to purchase a home. Maybe for your first time, or maybe not. I've created this tutorial for buyers like you who want to get prepared for the process. Every case is different and every state has different laws, so please use this as a general overview. And if you have questions, leave me a comment or contact me directly. I would love for your feedback so I can help more of you and make a better tutorial for all. So ask me anything. In this tutorial, we will go over the 10 steps to purchasing a home. The 10 steps are: 1. Getting pre-approved and knowing your buying power. 2. Finding a real estate agent and making your wish list. 3. Touring homes and finding the one for you. 4. Make an offer. 5. Bidding wars and getting your offer accepted. 6. Opening escrow. 7. Inspection contingency. 8. Appraisal contingency. 9. Loan contingency. And 10. Closing. After you've completed these steps, you will have successfully purchased a home. So, are you ready? Watch the next video to start and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials and videos. Thank you and see you all next time.